What are negative numbers? You can now view the notes for this video on our website, diffusion.academy. Check out the description for the link. Negative numbers are numbers smaller than 0. Let's represent negative numbers on the number line. To the right of 0, we have numbers 1, 2, and 3. What happens when you subtract 5 from 3? When you subtract 1 from 3, you get 2. When you subtract 1 from 2, you get 1. When you subtract 1 from 1, you get 0. Now, what happens next? You still need to subtract 2 from 0. When you subtract 1 from 0, you move 1 unit left of 0, and you get negative 1. Some of you might have noticed the horizontal sign on negative 1. The horizontal sign is the negative sign. All negative numbers have the negative sign. On the other hand, positive numbers do not have any signs. When you subtract 1 from negative 1, you move 1 unit left of negative 1, and you get negative 2. How do we add negative numbers to another number? Adding negative numbers is the same as subtracting positive numbers. Let's try a few examples. What's 1 plus negative 1? Adding negative numbers is the same as subtracting positive numbers. So the question, what is 1 plus negative 1, is actually the same as what's 1 minus 1. So when you add 1 to negative 1, it's equal to subtracting 1 from 1, which is equal to 0. What's 1 plus negative 3? 1 plus negative 3 is equal to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2, so 1 plus negative 3 is also equal to negative 2. How do we subtract a negative number from another number? Subtracting negative numbers is the same as adding positive numbers. Why? Because the two negatives cancel out each other to make positive. Let's try a few examples. What's 1 minus negative 1? We learned earlier that subtracting negative numbers is the same as adding positive numbers. So the question, what is 1 minus negative 1, is actually the same as what's 1 plus 1. 1 minus negative 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. What's 1 minus negative 3? 1 minus negative 3 is equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. We hope you learned more about negative numbers from this video. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.